All right, guys, time for another 1-minute photo edit. So my goal is to get this raw image right here to a finished edited photo in under 1 minute. All right, let's go. And let me choose my base layer here. I used off-camera flash, so I'm gonna choose this OCF base layer. Let me see where I want for color temperature. Yeah, I actually like where it's at. I think the color temperature is on point in this image already. All right, now I'm gonna adjust the tint. Remember, tint is magentas and greens. So you can just mouse over each one of these options. And I like adding a little bit more magenta to it. Exposure, I think we're dialed in pretty good where we're at. I'm not gonna mess around with exposure. Highlights, I'm gonna dial down a little bit to try and get some of that background detail back into the image. And then shadows, same thing. I want to get some more shadows back to the image as well. And sharpness, I'm going to add some noise reduction. I'm going to add this setting that says remove purple fringing. I add that to all my images. Let me see what that vignette looks like. That's a little too heavy-handed, so I'm not going to run with that. I always do enhance color. And then let's see, so these are fun. These are the AI tools. Let's see what Sky Enhancer does. And too much. You can't really see the sky that much in this image, so it doesn't do too much. See what Subject Enhancer does. That's pretty slick. I like that a lot. It gives you like that matte background look. So I'm going to select the Subject Enhancer, and I'm going to back it off a little bit here using this slider. I don't want the full effect of it. So you can see the effect right there. I think I'm going to bring it down to like 30, 35. We'll go there. And then as the last finishing touch, let me take the light out of the image right here. God, we're so spoiled with these new AI removal tools in Lightroom. I love these. Perfect. Man, that saves so much time. That's incredible. All right, so here's the final. Second here. Oh, push the wrong button. Sorry about that. Redo. Okay. All right, here's the final. And here's where it started from. Raw to final, under 1 minute. Actually, I think I'm gonna bump up the exposure just a scotch. Perfect. All right, so that's the final, and that's the raw. Under 1 minute. Awesome. Thank you guys. See you at the next one.